Not bad. Never mind. Tell the truth. So long. Let me show you. I would like to see you. I want my hair cut. Come back. I want to eat. I want to go. I trust you. I promise you. I think so. Is that he? Is that she? I don't want. I have no time. I'm grateful to you. How soon do you want it? How did you know? How can I call you? I'm studying now. Quickly. Get ready. Get away from me. Go away. Exit only. Have a good time. Go and come back quickly. Do what you want. Go and come back quickly. Do as you wish. Don't lie to me. Don't come. Do you understand me? Do you feel hungry? Did I hurt your feelings? Did you enjoy yourself? Did you enjoy it? Did you eat? Can you swim? Best wishes. At your own risk. At most. At least. Are you sure? Are you serious? Admission is free. It's wonderful. How beautiful is that? Of course. How is everything? When shall we meet again? Can we meet tomorrow? I will ring you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Can you speak more slowly? May I use your phone? I'm sorry to bother you. Could I have your device? Certainly. About what? Lower your head. This is the last time I'm warning you. Don't push your luck with me.